Hi. In statistics, we have an important concept called range, and in this video, we are going to solve an important question on range. And the question is about what will be the minimum value of range of a set which contains elements of two another sets. First, let me read the question out to you. Question is, the range of a set A is 10 and the range of another set B is 16. If the elements of the two sets A and B are written together in another set, of that another set, what will be the minimum value of the range? What will be the minimum value of range? I am writing here what's not written. So kindly repeat the question in your mind and try to focus on the exact meaning of the question. We are not finding here the exact value of range. Rather, for the combined set which is going to have the elements of the two sets A and B, for that third combined set, we are trying to find the minimum value of the range. Repeat to yourself the exact meaning of the question. We are trying to find the minimum value of the range of the combined set that contains elements of those two sets A and B. Okay, let us proceed further exactly with the question. I am writing here two sets A and B with some elements. Okay, let me write elements in set A as 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 12. Why 12? Because range of the set A is given to be 10. First, remind yourself as what is range. What is the definition of range? Range of a set is the difference of the maximum number and the minimum numbers in the set. Okay, you can take any elements in the set A so that its range will come out as 10. So I am taking some integers in set A from 2 to 12 whose range will come out as 10 as given in the question. So here in set A, the maximum element is 12, the highest number is 12 and the least number is 2. So the difference is 10. So that is the range of set A. Similarly, write some elements in set B such that its range will come out as 16. Write any numbers as per your wish. I will take from 100 and I will go until 116. So the maximum element in set B is 116 with the least being 100, the smallest number. So the difference of the biggest number and the smallest number in set B, 116 minus 100 is 16. That is range of set B is 16. So now the question is, if you write the elements of the two sets A and B together in another set, let us call that another third set as C. If you write the elements of the two sets A and B together in another set, then of that set C, what are we supposed to find? Remind yourself what I repeated in the beginning thrice. We are not finding the exact value of the range of set C. The question is not about that. You are trying to find for the combined set C the minimum value of the range. Please give focus, attention to the exact point in the question. The exact question being asked is finding the minimum value of the range of the combined set C. What I would say is, you do not have to write any examples for the two sets A and B. And whenever the question is upon the minimum value of the range, when the range of two sets are given, then the answer will straight away be 16. And 16 is what? The greater of the two ranges of the two sets. That is, range of whichever set is greater, the range of that set would tend to become the minimum value of the range of the combined set. Okay, remind yourself again, the question is about minimum value, not about finding the exact value of range. I am not going to discuss the explanation theoretically furthermore. Rather, I will make it most clear by considering a simple example. It's like this. Consider a box A having a scale, a ruler which is 10 centimeters long. Consider another box B having a scale or a ruler which is 16 centimeters long. Okay, so we have two scales or rulers which are 10 centimeters and 16 centimeters long. Length of one scale is 10 centimeters, length of another scale B is 16 centimeters. Now consider this practical example. What should be the minimum length of a box? What should be the minimum length of a box that can contain both these two scales? The length of a third box, what should be its minimum length such that it can contain both these two scales? Obviously, the minimum length has to go by the greater length of the two scales. The greater length of the two scales is 16 centimeter. So if the minimum length of the box is less than 16, then the scale having greater length cannot fit into the box. So whichever set has the greater range, whichever scale is greater in length, that will determine the minimum length of the box which can contain both the scales. Similarly, for the combined set having the elements of the two sets A and B, if we are asked to find the minimum value of the range, then for that combined set the minimum value will be the range of whichever set is greater. Okay, with this practical example, I think you can deduce the theoretical explanation yourself clearly. Thank you for watching this video.